I know you'd be thinking where on the earth I was hiding that I didn't order from NYKAA. Hey guys, this is Sneha and welcome back to my channel, and this video is all about the haul what I got from NYKAA. Yes, this is my first time from NYKAA. I used to always go through the products in NYKAA but never got them or never ordered, and this is the first time and was like very excited, and I've already opened the box and I have used few products so that I'll be giving an honest review on the products too. So let's get started. Let's start with the experience I had with the NYKAA. So basically it was like pretty good because they have offers on all the products, almost all the products, so you'll get it in the cheaper price than you get in the shops or retail shops here. Second thing is, as I was the first time user in NYKAA, so I got the additional discount also, so that's great. So let's get started with the products. So the first thing what I found was I found this Miss Claire lip cream, and this was like really cheap. So there are 3 shades and I actually got one has free. This is actually a matte and pearly gloss. I got this free with this 3. Pretty good for the price what we are getting, but actually doesn't stay for long. Like whenever I use it stays for like max 3 or 4 hours, and in between you eat or drink something, that's gone. And yeah, it doesn't crack my lips, it doesn't dry out, so that's pretty good. So you'll have to reapply every 2 or 3 hours. So that's the thing about this. Next thing I got was this Color Bar Premier. I have heard a lot about this, and also my friend suggested to buy this. So honestly I was expecting a larger container, but this is really good. This is like a travel friendly and this is amazing. This product is like amazing. I really liked it. The next thing I got was this eyebrow eraser. It comes in a 3 pieces in a pack. Is this eyebrow eraser. I usually don't like to make my eyebrows, so I thought I'll get this one. And okay, to be very honest, it was not very helpful, or maybe I don't know perfectly how to use it. So but there are like 3 razors in one pack, which is like really good, and there's a cap on it. The next thing is from Maybelline. It's a Fashion Pro cream pencil, and I really liked it. I mean, I have a gap in my eyebrow, between my eyebrow, and it covers really well. I mean, it looks very natural. I would really recommend this. Fan of biotech products, so I got a few this time. The first thing I got is like Bio Seaweed Eye Gel. So this is basically for the dark circles under your eye. Using it for like 1 week now, but I do not see any results right now because maybe it takes some more time to heal. So yeah. The next thing I got was this Morning Nectar. So this is really good. I'm liking this moisturizer. I've never used the Biotic moisturizer earlier, so this is really good, and it doesn't make your skin oily, at least not for me, so this works. Last thing I got was this Biotic Bio Almond Oil. It's a face and eye makeup remover, so basically it's a makeup cleanser. Okay, the reviews is like it's just like you're using almond oil on your face. So after this you'll have to definitely wash your face, of course, and it's like very oily. It's actually oil, I guess. But this doesn't hurt or burns after you cleanse your face, and especially the eye area, it's like so relaxing when you use it because it's an almond oil. That's it for today. I know it was a very few things what I got from NYKAA, but as this was my first time, I just thought of giving it a try. So it was like really amazing experience to buy from NYKAA. Hope you like this video, and if you did, please do subscribe if you haven't, and also click on that yellow icon just to get notified every time I'm on YouTube. So that is for today. See you soon. Bye bye.